So we see right here that we was an uptrend. Price failed to break this resistance level right here and then caused a reversal. But then we see price continue to respect this level as support. And then we had another level here that we're going to show on the other screen that price was holding as support. So that's what made us go for the buy. So this was a beautiful trade right here. Nice 1-to-3, almost 1-to-4 risk reward ratio. So that means whatever I risked, I made almost four times that amount. So if I risked $100, I made $300, almost $400. If I risked $1,000, I made almost $4,000. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. This was a huge trade right here. We're going to break it down step by step like we always do. If it's your first time on the channel, welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we also live stream and live trade every day, London session 3 AM EST on this very same channel. We also have a free signal room, free Telegram. There's the first link in the description. This is how we did last month, October. We caught a total of 157,608 pips, 125,674 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. Ended the month 32.5, giving us an 86% win rate. Now this is how we did last quarter. July, we went 34 wins, 3 losses. August, we took 45 wins, 7 losses. And in September, we took 27 wins, 4 losses, catching 105,389 pips July, 219,708 pips in August, and 16,634 pips in September, giving us a total of 341,731 pips caught, 323,385 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. In the quarter, 106 wins, 14 losses, giving us an 88% win rate. Every trade posted has the date, the time the trade was posted, my personal entry, SL, TPs, how many people viewed or entered the trade, reactions, and of course those TPs getting hit. So make sure to go ahead and check that out. Now let's get straight into this video. So as you can see, we're in the advanced play signal room. This was a trade that we also broke down during the London session live when we went live earlier that day. You see right here the date, March 1st. You see the entry, you see the SL, you see the TPs. Now this trade was a beautiful example of why you should always hold to SL or TP gets hit. Before we go over that, this was a beautiful trade right here. Nice 1-to-3, almost 1-to-4 risk reward ratio. So that means whatever I risked, I made almost four times that amount. So if I risked $100, I made $300, almost $400. If I risked $1,000, I made almost $4,000. Now let's break down why you can took this setup and how you can catch a similar move just like this one. So the first thing I like to do is go into the daily time frame to identify the trend. Now we're not trading on the daily time frame, but we're going on the daily time frame to identify the trend. Price moves on a day by day, week by week, month by month basis. So it's important to see what price is doing overall. The smaller time frame just tells you what price is doing at that moment. So what we see right here, and if y'all don't understand completely how to identify the trend, pause this video and watch the one that just popped up on your screen. That's going to help y'all out because it's super important to understand the direction price is most likely going to be going. So we see right here that we was an uptrend. Price failed to break this resistance level right here and then caused a reversal. But then we see price continue to respect this level as support. And then we had another level here that we're going to show on the other screen that price was holding as support. So that's what made us go for the buy. So since we see some bullish momentum still coming into play, and I'm thinking about going for buys, now we just got to mark off our key price levels, then patiently wait for price to meet our confirmations. So boom, this is what I was looking at when I was on the chart. So again, this was during Tokyo session the night prior. This was during London session where price did this big move, but this is when 3 AM was on, and that's when we first started the live. So I missed this setup. So I always tell my members and students, don't chase a trade. Either wait for price to retrace and retest, and then go for a move, or just wait for the next entry point. So since I missed that setup, I decided to leave price alone. So price shot back down, but in my mind, if price was going to continue to push to the downside, when it did this big push down with these strong candlesticks, it should have broke this level and treated it as resistance. But since price failed to do so and pushed back up, that's when I was like, okay, there's still some bullish momentum going on. So again, I didn't go for this buy, so I'm going to wait to see how price reacts either at this level here, or if price breaks this level, I'm going to look for a possible buy here. Boom. So price rejected this level, left it alone. When it pushed back up, again, let's look at the time here. We entered this at 1037. So it was the next candlestick. It was this candlestick here when price was showing was holding at support when I called the signal for the members. So then after price broke above that level, it started ranging a little bit. But one thing I noticed is that I was still respecting this price as support. You see my golden level here, still respecting this level as support. It almost hit our stop loss, but then you see it push back above. So this is when, so let's rewind a little bit, right? So let's rewind a little bit. So again, we entered this trade on March 1st, which was a Friday. So the entire rest of the day until market close, price was taking a nap on this level. This rejection and push back up didn't happen until Monday the next week. So when the weekend and markets closed, as you can see, 7:57 p.m. EST, I told the members, EJ decided to take a nap on our zone. We'll just have to wait to see what happens Sunday night / Monday. Enjoy y'all's weekend and make sure to put a little time into the charts and trading plan. Then guess what? Midnight, a few hours before London session, guess what? That's when volume started to pump. We started to get some TPs getting hit. Right, then we saw some TPs getting hit, and then you see right here, GN still pushing. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Just another beautiful trade, you know what I'm saying? Just another beautiful setup right there, right? So again, this is an example of what, cut all that other part out. This is an example, another example why you always want to hold to SL or TP gets hit. So again, we have our SL placed for a reason. We see price was still holding us above support. We saw all the signs price showing there was bullish momentum. So all we had to do was just let price do what it do. And then again, you see what price is doing. Beautiful push to the upside, man. Beautiful push to the upside. So y'all enjoy this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free Signal, free Telegram. Let me know in the comments if y'all join. Let me know if y'all following me or subscribe to the channel as well. Let me know if y'all genuinely enjoying these weekly content I'm pushing out. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, interested in my Signal services or mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description. And before you make a decision, let me show you a little bit about those details. So the advanced play signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York price watch list. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sales going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York price watch list. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the advanced play signal room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long. But you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are hour long, and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.